Bebe. Verde at Pinlock Falls.
Oh, that is the cold. We go to drink.
Tingnan mo sila. Nilalamig sila. Ew.
Nangihi na ako.
Ayaw pag-ihi, Dida. Buwak ka.
Nangihi na ako.
Don't wiwi there. Super lamig. Alam mo yung tubig? Parang 100 nga ice. Tagum. Kay ano ma, rainwater at saka ano, galing taas yan eh. Gandang pakinggan ang lagaslas ng tubig. So relaxing. Ang dalawa.
Wesley, ka muna. Up na.
Kasi hindi ka naliligo eh. Inaano ka na eh, nilalamig ka na eh.
Sibiri, come here.
Sisipunin ka, maglublob ka. Tingnan mo yung paa mo, ang puputi na.
Come here na, come here. One last dip.
Daddy, tayo ka nga dyan. Picturean kita hanggang doon.
One last dip.
Tayo, face mommy.
Malayo ba?
Daddy, look at me. Sabihin mo. Ganyan ka, bebe. Bebe, ganyan ka. Ganyan ka para picturean kita. Ngaduha, dalawang kamay. Dalawang kamay. Look at me. Hindi ko kaya, wag mo kong palublob at hindi ako maliligo. Kita mo? Kahit nga ikaw, di mo kaya eh. Sila mo si Wesley, nangangatog na. Actually, lahat sila feeling cold. Dali na, super lamig. Tingnan mo yung paa mo, anak. Yung paa mo, super white.
My feet is so numb that I can't feel the water
Talaga?
anymore.
That's the coldness. Oo, super cold mo, be. Pero oo, super cold. Dali na, one last dip and one last swim. Ahon na tayo, ahon.
Never mind. I don't want
Hala na.
What's my
Can you
trip?
describe, wait, anak, how cold is the water?
Really cold.
Ikaw, how cold is it? How cold is it?
So cold that I can't feel my feet
Oh
and my
no.
tongue.
Oh no. Antang?
Oh, wow.
I can't feel a portion of my tongue, a part of my tongue.
Oh my God, that's so cold. Come on, let's go up na.
Mommy.
Uy, there's a tao there. Pero, tingnan mo yun. Ayun oh, parang mannequin. Did you see that? This is the peak of the Infanta and Quezon Mountain.